how to single email restore from one server to another server. So this is the email. So I am giving extract a file from existing. So I have run. So when it is done, so check, this is the email I am using. So Alex, also come here. So this email is completely blank email. Check. So this is the new created email. So how to restore the old server email? All email need to restore in our new server. So migrating one server to another server application, so website is another issue. So your email backup is also another service. So this service, this is the 4 GB email. So comes here and check, is this working or not? So selected directory removed, and also loading. So now is Alex come, so or comes to SS terminal. So SS terminal, make it clear. So now paste the command, contact me. So copying this name. Maybe failed to copy, so we should check the issue. Now I'm waiting and checking the issue. So this is, I am checking here. So in this procedure comes to our email now. So this is Alex email. Stop on and refresh this page. So there is 10,000 email in the listed. So stop this procedure and make the inbox is on page. So this is the on page. So all pages is showing now. All pages, all existing email is showing here. So it needs time to restore all email. So needs time to load all email. So this just waiting and see. So all email is restoring. So just refresh and check. This is the last year email. So reloading. This mail is coming slowly. So take time to load our old email. So just wait and see. So this is the 8th month, 7/8. So this is the very different service. So you can contact me. The best of luck. So any issue, any email backup and restore service, you can contact me. So this is the 4 GB email. So check, this is the 4 GB, almost 4 GB. So I am making the whole list. So I am deleting the existing. So now done. So I have migrated from the control panel to Plex panel. So this client project. So best of luck.